Hey guys, today we'll be making a gorgeous corsage for a wedding, dance, any type of celebration. What you will need: I have some greenery and flowers, different styles of eucalyptus. I have flowers, roses, also have some floral wire, floral tape, a corsage wristlet, ribbon, wire cutters, scissors, and a hot glue gun. Alright, let's get started. So first thing I'm going to do is take 2 stems of my flat eucalyptus leaves. I'm going to overlap them one on top of the other. And they're a little long, so I'm going to take my wire cutters and just trim down the stems a little bit, just because I don't want the stems sticking out of the corsage. So I'm going to see how it fits together. That looks pretty good. I'm just kind of twisting and moving and I kind of just like place it on my wrist just to make sure I like how it looks and it's not too large or too small. So then I'm going to take some of my floral wire and twist it around my stems, and I'm just going to twist it several times until it's nice and secure. And I'm going to do this all the way down the stem from one end to the other, because this is going to be the base of my corsage, so I want it to be nice and sturdy. And then once I'm done, I can just adjust and maneuver and make it look exactly the way I want it to be. So once I have the foundation together, I'm going to take my flowers. You can go with whatever color or style of floral arrangements that you choose. So I'm going to just place one of my flowers on top of my eucalyptus and just twist it around a couple of times, adjusting and maneuvering. And then I'm going to take my second flower and overlap it with the first one and twist the stem around and in between my flowers a couple of times, and then cut away the excess. This is just going to make sure it's nice and secure. Alright, once you have that nice and secure, you can add in more greenery or flowers if you choose to do so. I'm going to add in some more eucalyptus, and I just kind of like stick it in place and see if I like the way it looks. At this point, you can kind of just like try different things, different styles, and see what you like. You are also not stuck with the stem the exact way that it is. Sometimes I like to cut off some of the leaves and play around with the thinner stem or just one single leaf. Just try different options and see what looks best for you. It looks completely different when you actually have it in place, and you may surprise yourself. You may like something you didn't think you would like. So I say definitely try different styles, different methods, and see what works best for you. I decided that I like the eucalyptus right here behind the flowers, so I'm going to take a small piece of floral wire and just secure it into place. And I'm going to repeat the step on the other side. Again, you could leave it just like this. It looks so cute and precious. I just think these eucalyptus leaves are so adorable, so I want to add in a couple and just kind of bring it all together with my theme. Alright, so I'm just trying different methods, adding in leaves and greenery, and I'm just using floral wire to secure them all in place. Once you get it exactly the way that you like for it to be, you are going to kind of just add in one more wire piece to twist it all together. And then I like to take a look at it. That looks so cute and precious, making sure I like the way everything looks. So I'm going to, as you can see, there are a lot of wires and stems and everything sticking out at the back. I'm going to just take a spare leaf and I'm going to hot glue it in place just to cover all of the wires so that nothing is visible, and it also doesn't poke you when it's on your wrist or anything like that. Plus it just makes it look a lot neater. So just like that. Alright, so I'm taking one more piece of floral wire, wrapping it around my entire corsage, twisting it a couple of times, and now I'm going to add my wristlet to the back. Again, I'm just checking to make sure I like the placement. You can kind of move it up, down, left or right, and just make sure you like the way it's sitting. And be mindful of which way the wristlet is going to slide on the wrist, because you don't want to have the corsage sideways or anything like that. Once I have it in the exact spot, I'm going to take the floral wire and twist it around my wristlet a couple of times on both sides just to make sure it's nice and secure. I'm also going to use some hot glue the wristlet to my actual corsage. I'm just gluing it to the larger greenery. Again, this is all for extra security, because the last thing you want is for the corsage to come loose. That would be terrible. So you can never be too secure. So I think this looks so cute, precious, and adorable. You can definitely add more greenery, more flowers, make it larger, smaller, whatever you prefer. Just go with whatever theme and style fits you. You can even use ribbon instead of the wristlet. You can add in some satin ribbon if you want to do that. You can tie it in a bow, or just whatever you prefer. Just have fun with it and be creative. But it's so cute, simple, and easy to make. Modify the color, the style, add in any additional embellishments you prefer.